Welcome back to Sam's watch review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio AEQ110W. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first you need to be in the timekeeping mode, and to make sure of that, you can press and hold the mode button until it gives a high-pitched beeping sound. Okay, next, from this timekeeping mode, you can change the LCD display view. So you can press the adjust button to change. This one is the second and then hour and minute. If you press again, this one is day and then month and date. Okay, let me press once more. So now it shows second, hour and minute. And for this view, you can change also the time format. You can press this one, the set plus button on the bottom right. This one is the 24-hour format and this one is the 12-hour format. Okay, we will just use for this video, we will use this one, the 24-hour format. Okay, next we will set the time for the digital time. And to do that, we can press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now the second is flashing or blinking. And yes, you can set the second to become 0. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Just press the set button. So for this case 11, 12, I press this one, the set plus button, and okay, 0. Okay, now to move to the next item to set, press the mode button, and now it shows this one, daylight saving. If you want to activate, just press the set button. Okay, if you want to deactivate, also press this one. Okay, let me call this one the search button, okay, because this one is also set button. So this one is set and also search button. For the daylight saving, you can use this button to activate or deactivate. Now next, press the mode button, and this one is the hour. You can use the set plus or the search button to increase clockwise, right? And then you can use the set minus to decrease counterclockwise. Okay, next press the mode button, and now is the minute. The same way, you can use this button to increase and the set minus to decrease. Okay, next mode button, and now is the year. You can change with this button to increase and the set minus button to decrease. Again mode button, and now is the month. Same thing, this one will increase and this one will decrease. Once more, sorry, this one is the date. You can use the set plus to increase and set minus to decrease. If you press again, now it will show the second, and done for the setting of the digital time for this watch. And to exit from this setting menu, you can press the adjust button and done. Anyway, that is only for the digital time. So let me press this, press the adjust button to show the digital time. One thing that you will need to do is also set the hand. So if you can see here, the digital time is 21:18 and the analog hands are showing 9:12. So let's set the analog hands. We need to press the mode button several times until it shows the hand set, this one HS. Okay, and now it shows the digital time here, and we will use this as reference to set the analog time. Okay, to set the analog time, press and hold the adjust button, and now it shows like this. The digital time is flashing, and now if we press this button, the set plus or the search button, it will move the hands clockwise. So let me show you. Okay, and we will set the hand to be the same as the digital time. So in this case, it's going to be 21:20 in a while. And okay, 21:20. So it's the same for the digital time and also the analog time. And anyway, one thing that's not the best with this watch is that you cannot move the hand counterclockwise. So if I press this button, it's not moving the hand counterclockwise. You can only use the search button or the set plus button to set the analog hand, and that might be annoying if you use daylight saving. If you need to reduce the time backward by 1 hour, you will need to press this button and you need to let the hands moving around for the 11 hours difference. So it's not -1 but plus 11. Okay, I think that's all for this one. It's already the same 20. Oh sorry, because I talk a lot, then it is still 2120 while the digital is 2121. So let me increase now and we will meet with the digital time at 2122. Let's wait. Okay, now 2122, the same, and we will exit by using the adjust button. Okay, and that's it. So now the digital time is in synchronized with the analog hands, and yeah, done for the settings for this watch AEQ110W. Anyway, I will also make a more detailed tutorial for the setting, which will also include the telememo, world time, and then stopwatch, alarm, and so on. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.